Happy New Year to each and every one of you, and my respected colleagues also here. We all here today, as our convener has said, and we are concerned about the word of the Honorable Home Minister when we met him at his Parliament office. And he said, within a week or within 10 days or 15 days time, if we all ready with our topics, we can inform the Chief Minister of the state, and the Chief Minister will accordingly make appointment with the Honorable Home Minister. We thought it would be going like that. But till today, we have not received any communication in regard to our appointment with the Honorable Home Minister. So we have decided, because we are liable to meet the people of the state, and we are answerable also, as we have to call off our movement, which was continuing for very successful. But responding to the invitation of the Honorable Home Minister, we have called off. And Chief Minister had given us official letter also. Accordingly, we also decided to call off, and we went as our convener has said. And now, according to our feeling, it is taking long time. So there may be some problem with them also, but we are not concerned about their problem. We are concerned with our agreement with the Home Minister. As he was saying us, within 10 days or 15 days, we have to contact him. We have to contact him through Chief Minister. So we have met Chief Minister official 2 times. But he also said he is very, very busy. So this very busy may continue for indefinite period of times. That is why we have met 2 times, day before and yesterday also. There has been very free and fair discussion amongst us, that we stand all together for the cause of our indigenous people against CAP, and it has become CAP now from TAP. So these bodies conform of different political parties, and on one issue we are all together united and facing any situation. So if we feel and if we find that there is no positive call from the central government, and we will be bound to go ahead with our movement program.